Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights (MCPCR) Chairperson Kaisham Pradeep Kumar has issued an order directing Wangoi Zone ZEO Anil Arambam to conduct an immediate, independent and time-bound inquiry into allegations that two students of Class 2 Section B were wrongfully confined in a classroom after school hours on February 6. The Commission's order cited a complaint filed by the parents or guardians of Master Sinthangamba and Master Punshiba regarding the incident. It also highlights possible violations of the statutory prohibition against corporal punishment and mental harassment under Section 17 of the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009. While raising concerns of overcrowding and non-compliance with child protection standards, the order maintained that an on-site inspection conducted by the Commission revealed deficiencies in institutional and child protection safeguards. The inquiry will examine the incident, the teachers' qualifications, and the school's compliance with child protection policies. It will also fix individual and institutional responsibility and recommend measures to prevent recurrence. The order further asked to submit an action taken report (ATR) supported by documentary evidence to the Commission within 10 days.